So welcome back to another Random Hobby channel. Yesterday, we have an emergency kaya hindi ako nakapagtalpak. Pero ngayon, balik tayo sa pagtalpak. And before that, I am busy playing this game. Unicorn Overlord sa aking Switch 2. It flew under my radar, but wow, what a good game it is. Nakaka-addict. Kaya hindi rin ako makalaro ng Magic dahil dyan. So, tara na. Surge, Coiling Stalker, Xiaomi Amoy. Kung natin ng konti. Ayun. Moon Circuit Hacker, Ironhawk Mama, Future Sentinel, Imperial Oath. Ito, inantok ako. Kaitos, Fade into Antiquity. I thought it's something. Stood Up, Tales of Master Seshiro, Seshiro's Living Legacy, Walking Scraper, When We Were Young, Gina, Generous Visitor, Thundering Raiju, nice. Wow, and that land. Samurai Token. Then next, kilas natin yung Final Fantasy kasi parang 3 or 4 na lang yan. So, last 3. Di pa dumadating yung Spider-Man. Carver, Lost in Space, Bombard, Sky Stinger, Exosuit Savior, ba't parang mukhang Embrace of Divion, Greek's Fate Maker, Temporal Intervention, Name of the Faller, Larval Scoutlander, Debris Field Crusher, and Synthesizer Lab Sheet. Shattered Wings as our foil, and walang full land. Sana nandito na si Stay With Me, o kaya si Tifa na full art, pero nung last time, sorte tayo, dalawang rare, mythic rare, Ice Magic, kaya medyo parang naubusan na tayo ng swerte. Pero tignan natin, hoping for the best, and if not, at least it paid. Diamond Weapon, Ether, Self-Destruct, Choco Seeker Paradise, Erythmium, and wala. So, that's all for now. Thanks. Ciao, ciao.